Hello, I'm Carrie Nguyen, immigration attorney at the Law Office of Carrie Nguyen. Big changes are happening in immigration. It has been reported that the U.S. government has temporarily stopped processing green card applications for people with refugee or asylum status. This pause is part of a new effort to increase security checks and prevent fraud, following executive orders from President Trump. One of the big changes is immigration officials will now look more closely at applicants' social media accounts to make sure everything checked out. So please be careful what you put out on social media. If you and your family are applying for legal status, it's more important than ever to have a knowledgeable legal team on your side. We're here to help you to ask the right questions and protect your future. Imagine this: you're living in the United States, and even though you're here legally, you could get in serious trouble for forgetting to carry your immigration paper. That's what could happen if a controversial new rule goes into effect on April 11th, 2025. The rule, brought back by the Trump administration, says that non-citizens must carry proof of registration with them at all times. If they don't, they could face fines of up to $5,000 or even jail time. People who refuse to register at all might get up to 6 months in prison. Immigrant rights groups are fighting back. They say that this could lead to a show me your papers situation, where people, especially those who look or sound like immigrants, are unfairly targeted, discriminated against, or harassed. There is some hope. On March 31st, 2025, a lawsuit was filed in Washington, D.C., arguing that the government didn't follow the right steps when trying to bring this rule back. The lawsuit could delay or even stop the rule. If this affects you or someone you know, now is the time to learn your rights and stay informed. Don't panic, but don't ignore it either. We recommend holding off on any decisions until the court rules on the case. Heads up, Venezuelan TPS holders, here's what you need to know about TPS re-registrations. Thanks to a recent federal court ruling on March 31st, 2025, your TPS and work permit might not be ending as soon as expected. A judge has ruled in the case of NTPSA versus Noam to temporarily delay the termination of the 2023 TPS designation for Venezuelans. That means you won't lose your work permit or protection on April 3rd, 2025. TPS will remain active while the legal case continues. What it means is you can renew your TPS and work permit during this period. The court also asked for an update on whether similar action will be taken for Haiti's TPS designation. Some more developments could be coming soon for TPS for Haiti. What should you do now? Don't wait. It's time to renew your TPS and work permit. Having a reliable legal team can make a huge difference when things are changing so quickly. Worried about new immigration rules? Don't be. There's been some changes, but we're not sweating it, and you shouldn't either. We stick to doing things the right way, honest, clear, and by the book. The government is cracking down on people who lied or misrepresent in immigration cases, and honestly, they should. Some lawyers and fake notarios are messing up people's futures by filing false information and potentially can put them in deportation proceedings. That's not how we do things. We're all about keeping it real, being upfront, and doing things the right way from the start, but also getting the best outcome for our client. Bottom line, pick people you can trust. Don't let shady representatives mess with your future. If you or someone you know needs help, reach out. We're here to guide you through it the right way. Reach out to us to schedule a consultation and subscribe for updates on how this could affect your case.